Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to be here today to announce to you a collaboration that has today been formed officially between Diversey and Corsair. As a part of this collaboration, we will together be offering the vast portfolio of Diversey clients an efficient and sustainable solution for the recycling of their plastic waste. And Diversey will now, as the first company in the world in the hygiene and cleaning solution industry, to also begin to offset the plastic waste footprint of their product packaging. And this will be done by the utilizing of the CSR Plastic Credit. And I want to say, on behalf of our entire organization, I want to say thank you very much for this collaboration. Thank you very much for all the great work that you've done and your market leadership of showing the rest of the world how to do things in the proper way and how to take responsibility of the environment with the actions that we do in our business. So once again, I want to truly thank you for this collaboration, and we're very much looking forward to working with you for a long term. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello everyone. At Diversey has completed 100 years of existence in 2023. We were established in 1923 and exactly 100 years. So this year we are celebrating our 100th birthday. And for these 100 years, if anything has been a top priority, that's sustainability. It's always been our number one priority. And just to give you some examples, 100% of Diversey's chemicals are 99% plus biodegradable as per UN definition, which means they degrade in 28 days, 99%. We discontinued APEOs or alkyl phenyl ethoxylates from our chemicals much before European Union banned it. We acquired a company called Twister, which is a waterless cleaning chemicals, and it's made from recycled diamond dust. All our Tusky machines are made from 55% recycled material. So by signing with Corsair, we just added another chapter to our commitment to sustainability. Corsair brings to the table a very innovative way of recycling plastic and in a way returning it back to the nature, and it enhances our value proposition in terms of sustainability to our customers by miles. And I'm very delighted for this partnership, and we see this partnership going a very long way in the future. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
Thank you once again as well.